Hi, Mark Rhodes, New Pollution. This is one of my favorite tunes of all times, and I'm gonna play it for you. Hope you like it. Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out to the nighttime. The walls won't hold me tonight. Why did we do it that way? Aging out, the touch of stranger, electric eyes were everywhere. Hey, that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. She said, why? Still the bad is human nature. Why they really do it that way? I said why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why they really do it that way? I like living this way. I like living this way. I like loving this way. To be reaching out, I touch your shoulder. I'm dreaming of still street. Oh no, why? Still them that it's human nature. Why? They really do it that way. Listen, why?